Hey viewers, you are watching The Savera and I'm Manpreet Kaur. In international headlines, the Norwegian Nobel Institute has issued a clarification that puts an end to speculation about the Nobel Peace Prize and its transferability following comments from Venezuelan opposition leader Maria Corina Machado regarding last year. Maria Corina Machado was named the winner of the 2025 Nobel Peace Prize for her tireless work promoting democracy and peaceful change in Venezuela. She has spent years advocating for human rights and democratic transition amidst political turmoil in her country. Recently, Machado suggested in media interviews that she would like to share her Nobel Peace Prize with US President Donald Trump, praising his whole role in recent development in Venezuela, including the capture of authoritarian leader Nicolas Maduro. Trump, who has long expressed interest in winning a Nobel Peace Prize himself, said he would be honored by such a gesture. However, in a statement issued jointly by the Norwegian Nobel Committee and the Nobel Institute, officials made it clear that a Nobel Peace Prize cannot be revoked, shared, or transferred once it has been awarded. According to the Institute, the decision to award the prize is final and stands for all time, and there is no mechanism under Nobel rules that allow a laureate to give their award to someone else. The Nobel body explained that once the award is announced and presented, it becomes an individual honor that cannot be resigned or altered, no matter what a laureate might wish. The committee also noted that it does not typically comment on statements or action by laureates after the award has been made. This clarification comes amid heightened media interest in how the Nobel Peace Prize could intersect with diplomatic and political development, especially given Trump's visibility on the world stage and his previous aspiration to receive the coveted award. Some commentators had wondered whether Machado's suggestion might set a precedent, but the Nobel Institute statement firmly rejects that possibility. Experts say the Nobel Peace Prize statues have long upheld that the prize reflects achievements of the original recipient alone and cannot be assigned by them to others, even symbolically. While President Trump has welcomed the attention surrounding the conversation and called the idea a great honor, the Nobel Institute's clarification confirmed that the prize will remain solely Machado's name in the official record. That's the latest clarification on this unusual Nobel controversy, a story that highlights both the enduring prestige of one of the world's most recognized honors and the limits of what laureates can do with the award once it's been granted. That's all for now. Stay tuned, The Savera. Do like, comment and subscribe our channel.